All right, so we're currently in Lake City, Colorado, and it's absolutely beautiful here. Aliner is now set up. Today was probably the toughest test we put through. Washboard roads, forest roads, the whole nine. And they were a little tough on it. But the main reason for this portion of the video is to show you what it looks like when it's all packed up inside. So we already popped it up. That's the quick part, right? That's 30-40 seconds to get it like that. But this is basically how you would need to travel, right? So we have 4 people, 2 dogs. So compartment is full. There's chairs, table, there's a shelter in case we need to set up a shower, a little bit of everything. Then here, there's 3 chairs. The DWAP for the jacks, water, blocks, the whole nine. And the back is mainly used for power cord, water, Starlink, frisbees, and there's still a little space in there. But essentially, this is what your floor looks like when you're in travel mode. So not much room to walk. You're walking on top of the cooler to set it up. And you have to pack it before you tear it down, essentially. We have found much easier to travel in bed mode. So this one's a permanent bed because we have a queen mattress here. And then this one is just made out into a queen instead of a dinette. But since we have kids sleeping here, essentially because the wall height, right, we can pack all this stuff, leave it here, throw stuff that was on the counter on the beds. But that's the easiest way to fold it down and get out the door. And then if you're going somewhere where potentially you're going to get there late and you don't want to set up like we did our first night, having the bed already made is super convenient. Of course, like I said, ours is already made. But your floor space, like I said, it is monopolized. And this is the 15, this is the bigger one. So there's bags underneath there, collapsible bins, waterproof bin, which I highly recommend for your stuff that you just want to leave outside. And then the cooler, that's going to go outside. Looks like we brought an ant from Pagosa. But yeah, essentially, once you get everything set up, you're still going to have your own version of taking everything out to clear up the floor space, and et cetera, et cetera. But like I said, no one's really showing that on these, so I wanted to show it, what it looks like in like a travel mode after you pop up the roofs and stuff. But like I said, not a lot of space, and we could push that under a little bit. But once again, that there's bags under here. There's that annoying table that we're going to replace. So basically, almost all of our floor space is monopolized when we're in travel mode.